It was later on I found out that it has a name and it's called imposter syndrome. Will people laugh at me? Will they enjoy my content? Am I really creating what is right for the public? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bumi. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to go a long way for me. Thank you very much. So in this video, I am going to be talking about something a little bit different. I'm going to be sharing my struggle as a content creator, especially when it comes to creating content and posting for YouTube. So I started YouTube 4 years ago, I think December 2021 to be precise, and it was amazing. The excitement of starting it was really nice. But before I started, I made a lot of research and I got ideas, on what to do, how YouTube works. Watched a lot of videos, a lot of vlogs about one or two things, hair contents, everything in general. And I started well. I was able to learn how to edit my videos too, and it kept going well. But I realized that I had a fear. It was later on I found out that it has a name and it's called imposter syndrome. It is really terrible, trust me. If you have it, you know what I mean. It felt like I wasn't good enough. I also wanted my videos to be perfect. When you watch people that have like very high quality cameras or very high quality phones, and the post and they get engagements, I wanted to be like that. But it didn't occur to me that you have to start from somewhere. And most times when I shoot my videos, I post, I get really shy. In my head, I'll be like, will people laugh at me? Will they enjoy my content? Am I really creating what is right for the public? But thanks to supportive friends and thanks to my mind too at times, I'm like, what, just post it, do you? A time will come when you build an audience. But it kept on going. The more I tried to create content to be out there, the more I get this fear. I feel like I'm not good enough for the public. I feel like I'm not shooting my video enough. I feel like I'm not meeting the standard. I think that was a mistake I made. I made a mistake of trying to compare myself with those that are up there. I mean, I'm a small YouTuber, I'm just starting. This also made me take a break from YouTube, not because I didn't have the gears to shoot, but because I actually was what's the word, I was discouraged to post. But when I took a break, I went back to just check my engagement, and I realized that a video of mine went viral. I had I think as at that time it was 11,000 views, and I was like, really? I mean, YouTube can actually push my video out there. And it made me think, and it was part of my New Year resolution that, okay, 2025, I'm going to be out there, push myself, make myself known. And I mean, January passed, February passed, and I think March I decided to post, and I've posted like 4 videos this year. I mean, that's strange because the Bumi I know would not do that. It's been amazing though, but I still have that fear. And like I said earlier, if you have the imposter syndrome, you would understand what I mean. The fear of not being good enough, the fear of being a fraud. Yes, I had a conversation with a friend yesterday, and she actually has the same thing. It made me realize that a lot of us have it, but it depends on how you try to overcome it. And I would love to hear your thoughts about having imposter syndrome and how to overcome it in the comment section below. It will go a long way for me. I appreciate that. Thank you. For me, what I have done to try to overcome this imposter syndrome, because I won't lie to you guys, I still have it. It is really embedded in me. I try not to think about what people would think when they see my content. I just try to push myself out there, even if it has been difficult. And I really hope that it continues this way. Another thing I have tried to do is I am not limiting myself to a particular niche, because that also contributed to me disappearing for a while. Because I asked myself, if my hair content, originally I started with hair content, and if the hair content finishes, what next? Am I just going to stay and sit down? And that's when I restructured my YouTube channel, the YouTube name, to be Afrobumi's Lifestyle. So there is no particular niche. It's basically just me, just you watching me, watching what I do. I could do vlogs today, I could do hair content tomorrow, I could do like games next tomorrow. That's one thing I plan on doing. That's one thing I've been doing because it's been going on. By the time I build an audience, I might limit myself to a particular niche. Hopefully the consistency continues and we get to 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours and above, and we get monetized and start getting paid by YouTube. I really cannot wait for that day to come. But lastly, even with the fact that I'm trying to be consistent, I know it will not be easy, but with the help of God, it's going to work. So guys, please don't forget to share your own experience in the comment section below. It will really go a long way for me. Thank you very much. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. That is how YouTube will also push my videos to the world. Thank you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.